guys, hi, hello, how are you? I'm well. So today's Sunday, the day before we get back to work, and it's December. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to make ujeqe. Okay, after I do that, I'm also going to show you my Sunday routine, how I actually prepare for my work week, and tomorrow I'll take you with me to the gym where I will show you a functional workout because Mondays are for functional training. So I'll see you at the gym. So what you're going to need for your check. What you're going to need for your steamed bread is an egg, 100 mils of milk, irama or butter, and I think that's just about, I don't know, a thumb, what do they call it? Barintengnani bag. Yeast, and obviously flour. So flour, and then because I didn't have we don't have, what's this thing, mixed herbs, I decided to add pepper. I've never done it with pepper before, but I'm going to add pepper. Then carrots. This is, how many carrots are here? Okay, 2 grated carrots, and then you're going to need a bowl. I'm going to use 2 cups of flour, and that serves about 4 people. And then half packet of yeast because I'm using 2 cups, and if you are using more than 2, you need to use the whole packet, so about 500 to 1 kg. Then you need salt, sugar, and pepper or any other spice that you'd like to add. And what else do you need? Ujeqe to mix everything together, the wet ingredients together, and a bowl to mix all the dry ingredients and mix all together at the end. So let's get doing this thing. Okay, so this is where it actually gets controversial. So in here I have my yeast, my black pepper, and flour. I haven't added salt or anything. Okay, let me add salt. Just a pinch of salt and a more than half a 1 spoon of sugar because we don't want it to be sweet. Okay, we're not making cakes here. And then I'm going to add my carrots and green pepper before adding the wet ingredients. Right, so now we are adding in the carrots and the peppers. Yeah, I need my other hand for this, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so the wet ingredients: 1 egg, 1 egg, milk, 100 mils. Okay, advice from a baker. So do not use ingredients directly out of the fridge in whatever that you are doing. Just let it chill for a bit. If you noticed, I mixed all my dry ingredients first before actually, yeah, I think my hands can actually tell you that, before using my wet ingredients, because what happens is, I don't know how to explain this, but your cakes or whatever that you are doing with flour, it becomes dense and it separates if you use the ingredients while they are still very wet. Okay, so don't do that, kids. Let's add in the lukewarm water. Okay, so I was saying it gets controversial with the flour and mixing in like the extra ingredients before putting in the wet ingredients, because most people would usually add like your carrots, your peppers and everything that's supposed to be wet before, when they are adding the wet ingredients. I don't do that because I noticed with baking, things sink when you're baking. Like the wet ingredients, say you are making banana bread and then you put it before, or you put it with the wet what, it actually sinks. Don't know how to explain that, but yeah, it will drop down to the very end of the cakes. But when you incorporate with the flour like this, the flour is everywhere, so it won't sink as it would. Okay, back to the mixing. I need my hand again. So this is how my dough currently looks. Yeah, I'm going to leave it out for 2 hours and then we'll cook it for an hour, because this is not too much dough. If we had more than 1 kg, I'll cook it for 2 to 3 hours. So let's wait for this to double in size and then get it to the stove. Alright, see, told you that this is going to increase in size. Like, this is an hour later, not even 2 hours. So we're gonna put this in the stove for 2 hours. For 2 hours and not 2, man, 1 hour. Where am I getting all these 2 hours from? I'm gonna put this in the stove for 1 hour and see how the vegetables are not missing in action because we put them with the dry ingredients. Please do that. All right, let's get this ready. Look how cute my ujeqe turned out to be. So I'm actually not done. This actually yes, it happens. And then I had to take this out, but you get it. Looks pretty awesome. The next part of my Sunday routine is ironing for the whole week. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th outfit. Why do we have 2 weeks? Not 2 weeks. 4 outfits this week because on Wednesday is a public holiday, day of reconciliation, I think. Yes. So I'll be home, so I only have 4 outfits to prepare, and let's get ironing. So it's, what time is it? 7:30, and I need to pack my bag for tomorrow. Already cooked. I've started packing. I just need to put in my toiletry bag because I was using some of the stuff and this old phone. And okay, what I do is take out my gym clothes. They're supposed to look proper because of you guys, but they always don't. So it's shoes, put them right here because I'm always dressed for the gym. Okay, I should have actually taken out my tripod for this. But anyways, and then I'm going to be wearing these leggings, I think. I hope. Or maybe the blue ones, I'll see in the morning. I think I'll wear the blue ones. Okay, yeah, I'll change this to blue leggings, but I'll still wear the same t-shirt and buff. So I'll put these here. And then let me just put in my bag, the toiletry bag, the bagisha manje for tomorrow morning, and then my wallet and masks. Oh, mask. My mask out too, so it should be masks. And then all right. So that's sorted. I just need to leave in the morning. I'll put in my water bottle and probably my clothes, because the outfit that I'm wearing, let me show you. This is from Mr. Price, and then this t-shirt, it has a bow. You've seen this outfit before. Has a bow. I'm just lazy to open the whole thing up. It's just that I'm holding my phone with a hand instead of a tripod. So sorry for that. But yeah, this outfit, I'm so done with this whole week, guys. So this is the outfit, and it's Sunday and I'm saying I'm done with this week. Wow, impressive. Okay, so this is just my outfit. The t-shirt is from Jet, pants are from Mr. Price, and the shoes are at work. They're from Rage, my block sandal heels, and then I wear pumps. They're from Legit. They're this color. They're in the bag already, so I've already packed them. And this bag is from Jet. I lost this thing, yalla. But the bag is from Jet, guys. Like, look at it. It's still in good condition. I just need to wash that thingy. But it's still in good condition and it's proper. And I saw on 170. And when I got to the till, it was 160. Bargain. It's a bargain. What are you doing here? Hi, Sama. What are you doing here? Ufike kanjani la? Njengoba usungasakwazi ukuqhuma. 3 lunches. I'm joking. So these are my beets for my lunch, and then ujeqe that I showed you earlier, then my beef curry. So that's lunch, and then this is my breakfast muesli. I'll add in fresh fruits at work and milk. I use the lactose-free milk by Nolek. It's the cheapest I can find and still works. And yeah, so I'll have that at work for breakfast, and then this is my lunch. And I'll probably bring chips as well because wow. What's up, you guys? So what you're gonna do is not use a weight that's too heavy for you. I think I was using 15 kilos, so you can use as light as 5, and or even use just your hands without the weight, and you'll be fine with just raising them up and then doing the lungy. Whoa, the Ketsi lunch. And then you do 20 reps, so 10 each side.
Okay, so you're going to do 4 sets of this as well. Even in the previous workout, you are doing 4 sets, and then that's your finished whatever routine that you are doing at that point.